Hi water signs, what's up? Kamusta po kayong lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing okay. So, for today, water signs, gagawin natin ang inyong December 8 to the 14th general reading about what to expect ngayong linggo. So, titignan lang natin kung ano mga possible situations na ma-encounter nyo for the week. Okay, possible mga situations na mangyari for the week. Alright, so there. So, take note as well that the reading is a general reading lamang po. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell as well para din po updated pa kayo sa ating mga bagong readings in the future. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, let's see. Ano ba ang mga ganap ni water signs for the week? You have here snake. Oh my god, snake. Okay. Someone deceptive. Ano pa? We have here a man. Okay, Ace of Hearts. Number 28. So we have here number 7, number 28. Let's get one more card. What are signs for the week? Wait lang. What are signs for the week, please? You have here Lady 29. So magkaharap sila. So there is definitely this is definitely most possibly a relationship reading. Okay, so water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So the snake talks about lies and deceit. Okay, sometimes an enemy. Okay, na very deceitful, very deceiving, and maybe ikaw to water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio na merong katunggali talaga, no? Parang karibal, parang gano'n, na Queen of Wands. Whenever I see the Queen of Wands, it's also being considered din kasi yung Queen of Wands na someone na papansin, parang gano'n. Someone na gusto lagi ng attention, someone na gusto niya siya yung tinitingnan, mga gano'n. May ego problems and meron ding attention. Minsan tinatawag nilang attention war or attention seeking ang Queen of Wands sometimes. Okay, basta ganon. And this person could be very deceitful. Maaaring nagkaroon ng impact na malaki to sa buhay mo, water sign. Okay, I also got here number 28, which is the man. So maaaring may kakonektado kayo na lalaki. If you are the divine feminine, if you are a female, or if you are divine feminine rather, wala nga pala tayong gender sa tarot. Ang kaparahan mo ay may brunette na buhok o brown or black hair. Yun ang natural hair color nila. The person could be around 30s to 40s, napapansin ko dito, but it could be any age. Maaring nakarelasyon mo to, Ace of Cups, oh. Okay? I'm really feeling na meron talagang babae kasi yung playing card is representative ng lady is Ace of Spades. So, may nagbibigay talaga ng sama ng loob, burden sa'yo, water sign, okay? Na maaring 29, 2 plus 9. 2 is equals to partnership, 9 equals to stability. So, maaring sila yung pinili o meron nalamangan ka ng babae na ito. If you are the divine feminine, maaaring ang buhok ng babae na to ay may pagka-blonde kasi blonde yung buhok niya, oh. So, or fair complexion, maputi, ganun. Okay? Maaaring may authority ito, maaaring may position to sa trabaho, sa social status niya, I don't know. But yeah, okay. So, maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng problema ng person mo, or yeah, or maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng problem, pero hopefully wag. Pero I'm reading it as something na past na eh. Parang nakikita ko dito past na ito. Maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng problem ng person mo dahil dito sa lady na ito. Okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and check. So, ano pa ang mga maaaring expect ni about to say fire sign. Maaaring may kumukonect sa inyong fire sign, water signs, okay, na Aries, Leo, or Sag. Anong maaaring expect ni water signs for this week? Page of Pentacles. So, merong gustong tao na mag-offer sa'yo ng brand new beginning or ng new beginning in a commitment. Okay? So, maaaring karelasyon mo to dati na gusto ulit magsimula kayong dalawa. Maaaring gusto ulit nito na na magkaroon ng stability with you. Okay? With regards to a commitment. Could be if not young, could just act like young. Or parang just act young. Parang ganun. Not necessarily childish, but may pagka-free spirit siguro siya. Kasi it's a page. Or medyo batang approach niya, okay? Would be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong maaari nilang maranasan for the week? Ano na maaari nilang maranasan for the week? We have your 8 of Swords and the 3 of Cups, okay? So, someone here is feeling mentally trapped, okay? Na nagkahiwalay kayo ng person mo. Maaaring this person wants to offer you something kaso hindi nila alam kung paano sila mag-offer sa'yo. Okay? May third party talaga dito with the 3 of Cups, possibly. Yung Justice card, you could be dealing with a Libra. Meron ako nakikita dito na nagkaroon ng unfair situation sa home life. Okay? Maaring na-disturb ang balance sa home life kasi nagkaroon ng another individual involved. And maaring mas yun ang either sinamahan or nag-engage doon, nag-connect doon instead sa'yo. Just take it as it resonates na lang, okay? And there is really an injustice na nangyari sa situation, okay? Imbalance, injustice. Okay. Magician card. Let's put it here. Magician card. Now, someone's trying to manifest here something. Ano yung Magician card? Ano yung Magician card? Di pa nakikita lahat. Ano yung Magician card? Sun card, positivity and good news. Queen of Cups. So, meron dito nagmamanifest na magkaroon ng positive outcome or positive news regarding sa isang bagay na nasaktan ka. Water signs. Okay, maaaring ikaw yung nagmamanifest or an Aries, Virgo, or a Gemini. Possibly na Leo. Okay. It could be any signs actually. Okay, kaso parang medyo ayun nga, nakikita ko dito na nahihirapan. I'm also feeling water signs na baka iniisip ng person mo na meron ka ng iba. Okay, so maaring isa yun sa pag-aalangan nila or parang blockage nila kung paano mapunta or magpunta sa inyo. Okay, or mag-come towards you. Ano pang maaari nilang maranasan this week? Yeah, you're the Hanged Man. 10 of Pentacles. Meron isang lady ako nakikita dito sa sitwasyon nyo na possible ito yung naging dahilan kung ba't kayo nagkaroon ng gap or problems ng person mo na hindi masaya. I think na maaring may energy ng pagbalik towards sa'yo ng person mo na nag-engage sa kanya. And maaari rin na just the Hangman here. And the 10 of Pentacles. Maaring ano lang, no? I don't know kung may naiinggit or parang may naiinis na parang magiging stable ka na ulit. Parang ganun narinig ko. Or magiging stable ka na, water signs. Okay, possibly a Pisces or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ayaw nito na nang nalalamangan siya. Ayaw nito nang parang mas angat sa kanya yung kalaban niya. Gusto niya siya yung mas angat kahit wala namang dahilan. Okay, walang punto. Okay, ano pa ang maaari niya ma-expect? I-clarify ko nga to, Hangman and the 10 of Pentacles. Ano to? 2 of Cups. Okay, so talks about a partnership. What about the Hangman and the ang tawag doon? 10 of Pentacles. Sa feeling ko, water signs, meron pumipigil sa person nyo para parang kinokontrol yung person nyo para totally ma-fix yung situation nyo, I guess. Tama ba? Yan, magpunta sa inyo, ganon. Parang pinipigilan nila na huwag ituloy yung pag-i-invest sa inyo or pagpunta sa inyo, ganon. Na kayo yung piliin, ganyan. Mas pinapamukha nila na parang sila yung mas may or mas may potential sa relationship other than you, na parang feeling ko na-build mo na yung home mo or maaaring nagsama na kayo sa isang bahay ng person mo. Okay, person na to na involved sa inyo. Ano pa? Let's see, ano pa ang maaari? 8 of Cups. I'm seeing you walking away. Or so I'm seeing someone, could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, walking away and leaving a toxic situation behind instead of pursuing a connection. So, hindi ko alam kung hindi ka nababalik doon sa person mo. But I'm seeing you walking away from conflict, from drama, from things na doesn't serve you anymore. Okay? I'm seeing you na parang gusto mo na magkaroon ulit ng balance and control sa life mo. Ayaw mo na parang confrontation with other people. Gusto mo na ng balance and harmony. Gusto mo na kung saan ka may mafulfill ka instead na ma-disappoint ka lang. Okay? Okay. Kasi parang feeling mo, hindi siguro nag-work with dati. So, parang feeling mo na baka, I don't know, kung feeling mo na it's not a wise idea na mag-invest ulit doon or mag-invest doon sa ngayon. Na yun ang piliin mo. Ano pa? Last messages for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio for the week. Last messages for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio for the week, please. Page of Wands. The 9 of Swords. Itong Page of Wands na to. What is this Page of Wands? Full card. Give me one more card. Ito ba yung person na gusto mag-offer? Nalilito ako. Okay. Feeling ko mas stress yung taong gusto mag-offer sa'yo. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay? Kasi parang could be a Taurus, Libra, Aries, Leo, or Sag. Kasi parang gusto nila ng growth and expansion towards you. Gusto nila ng success and victory towards you. Kaso parang for some reason, mahihirapan sila mag-take ng leap of faith. Okay, mahihirapan silang gawin yun. Okay. I don't know kung mag-aalangan ba to or matatakot to sa'yo. Pero mas stress sila. Okay? Maaaring nasa-stress na sila kung paano sila mag-take ng move towards you right now. Okay? So, yun lang naman, water signs ang nakita ko for the week. So, mostly gusto mag-offer towards you. And third party na medyo competition and ano pa ba? And also, parang medyo hindi alam ni person mo kung paano mag-take ng leap of faith towards you kasi takot. Okay? So, yun lang naman, water signs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!